Good morning students. Last class we completed types of lines. Today we will discuss some example problems. This is a line. On line we have BOED 4 points. Next, this is a C. Okay, in that using the figure, first one 5 points. What is the first one? First question is 5 points. 5 points. Okay, just observe the figure. We have to choose any 5 points. 5 point already. What is last class we explained? Point is nothing but to represent a location. Here, what are the 5 points? Points is B, comma O, comma C, D and E. These are the 5 points. B, O, E, D and C. These are the 5 points. Okay. Next question, a line. Next question, a line. A line. See here, from the figure we have to take one line. Is there so many lines? Is it different? Answer may be vary. Why? Because if you have to take DE is one line and EO is one line, we have to take DB is one line. Okay, we have answer may be vary. Okay, we can take DE also. Then if you take DE line, this is the symbol. The arrow mark, two sides arrow mark is there, that is the line. Next we can take or this is DB also, DB also or EB also, EB. Okay, but OC not. OC not. Why? Because see here O is the starting point. The what is the property of line? Line is having there is no end points. There is no end points. Here D there is no end here. We can take then different so many number of answers. Means here just we have 4 points is there. That's why DE is one line, EO is one line, OB is one line, like that DO is one line, OB also one line. You have to take different, but if you compulsory should represent the arrow mark, two sides arrow mark, two side arrow mark is represent, that is the line. Okay, next any 4 rays, any 4 rays. Third problem, any 4 rays. First of all, what is the meaning of ray? First of all, what is the meaning of ray? Ray is having only one end point and another end there is no there is no end. It will be continuities will be possess number of infinite points. Already last class we discussed. Okay, in that any 4 rays. 4 rays means, see, this also answer may be vary. See, OC is one ray. Observe the symbol. One side only arrow mark. Only one side arrow mark. OC is one symbol and OB is one ray. Next EB also one ray and DB also one ray. DB also one ray. Lines and rays maximum equal, but the symbol will change. If your two sides continue, if two times there is no end, that is line. One side will be end, that is ray. Don't be confused. In that, from that, see, next fourth problem also we'll check. What is the fourth problem? 5 line segments. 5 line segments. 5 line segments. What is the meaning of line segment? Line segment is the small part of a line. Line segment is the small part of line. Line segment is having only 2 endpoints. 2 endpoints means DE. Observe DE. This is the line segment. Okay. Next, DO is the line segment. Next, OC, also one line segment. Next, OB, also one line segment. Next, EO, also one line segment. We can take DB also one line segment. DB also we can take one line segment, means except these 2 numbers not there, means we can take like that. Okay, DE, DO, OC, OB and EO. These are the line segments. Okay. Next, we'll go to another problem. What is the next problem? Name the given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters. Here given one line. They are given points also. First point and second point, third point and fourth point. How many points are there? 4 points only. We have 4 points, means etc. Okay. Next, what are the letters? A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D. This is the question. From that, we have to write how many 12 possible lines. 12 possible lines. Just we'll try to write 12 possible lines. Then lines. First line AB. First line AB. Second one AC and AD. AB and AC and AD. 3 over. Next, for B2, BA and BC and BD. Now total how many completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over. Next with C. CA, CB, CD. Next, DA, DB, DC. Okay, a total 16. When we can take only one direction, it will be 6 lines is possible. 6 lines is possible. We'll take 2 directions. Then how many possible ways will come? How many possible ways? Total 12 possible ways. Total 12 possibles. First one AB, A to B, next A to C and next A to D. Like that. Next one BA. Next BA turn completed. Now B turn BA and BC and BD. Like that with C and D also. Like that we have to choose, we have to write in 12 ways the given line. Next problem. Next one, use the figure, here given on figure. In that figure we have three lines. One is horizontal line and one more. Okay, now A, B, C, D. Okay, here is the B, this is the A, next C, and the middle D, okay. In that, from the figure, just observe the figure. Here three lines is there, three lines. By using one line we can draw, we can represent so many lines. Already before problem we explained. Okay, just observe, one line is horizontal, two lines is intersecting lines is there. Then first one, line containing point E, line containing point E. In which line is having point E? Which line is having point E? We have so many lines. Means AE is one line, BE is one line, and BD is one line, and DE is one line. But just we have to write only one line. Means AE. We can take AE or EF also we can take EF or EF. Not only these two, BD also it will be line. BD also one line, and E is the point on BD line. Okay, this in the line, the point, this line is having some points on that. E is one of the point. Next one, line passing through A. Line passing through A. Which line is passing through A? Which line is passing through A? Here is the A. Means just observe these two. Means cross lines is not possible. Why? Because cross line didn't touch A. Just we have the horizontal line. In horizontal line also we can take AE or and BE also we can take. Why? Because line BE is the line, the A point is, the BE line is passing through the point A. The BE line is passing through the A. Okay. Next one, line on which O lies. Line on which O lies. Okay, see here the point is O. Line on which O lies. Which line is having O? Means OC or CO. OC or CO, we can take BO also, no problem. Okay, BO also no problem. Next one, two pairs of intersecting lines. From the figure we have to write two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting lines means, what is the meaning of intersecting lines? The intersecting lines is any two lines are intersects at a common vertex, intersect at a common point. The two lines are called intersecting lines. Then AE and OC, these two are intersecting line. This is one pair. Like that, next AE and EF also one pair of the intersecting lines. Okay, this is the third problem. Just observe, in the point we have to take means one line is containing infinite number of points. Okay, this is the third problem. In next class we will continue remaining problems. Okay students, thank you. In next class we will continue remaining problems, and that just for one point how many lines can draw, and one line is having how many number of points, and 2 points is containing by using 2 points how many lines can be drawn. Just will explain next class. Thank you.